Hi guys. So today is the 13th of January. It is 10 a.m. here in the UK. And let's have a quick look at US30's analysis. I'm just going to go down to the daily quickly. We still haven't reached the mark point that we actually highlighted. There is a resistance level here, so something that we want to be aware of. Um, but yeah, so I'm still actually really bullish on US30. To be honest, this could be the next level that I'm looking at to kind of go slightly higher and do this. So I'm actually just going to put another horizontal ray on it. So I think it will go to 35,000. But then, oops, as I always like to kind of say, I like to take the trades in a very um step by step at one level at a time. So that would be the next level that I'm looking at. Just depends on what price action really shows us in on a day-to-day basis for me. Just gonna delete this. Oopsie, bear with me. Sometimes, the charts get really messy. And also just want to say that, because its price is going upwards, we don't have any support resistance lines. I'm just going to delete the ones below because price has moved away from them. We kind of don't really need that many lines at the moment. I'm going to draw probably one or two more at the top. And then I'm just going to close all of the indicators just so that it's not messy. Okay, it's easier that way to kind of just see key levels. So really just go to your thing, the symbols here, go to horizontal line and just kind of mark up key levels that you think is important, all right? Probably draw one here. Where my line was. I think I'm good. I'm probably going to erase a few at the bottom anyway, so I think I'm good. I'm just going to delete this. Okay, and then I'm going to take away these lines here. I mean, we can always draw them again if price does come back down again. You know what I'm saying? So I've got two bottom. That's fine. I think this should be okay. All right. So yeah, I drew them on the hour, guys. So just kind of like, but there's another one right here as well. I wouldn't consider this a super key level, but the price is at. No, I'm not actually going to draw this line here, just because I feel like it has teetered here a little bit, but then it didn't really give us a zone, I feel. So not going to bother with that. So I'm actually just going to turn back on all the indicators, guys. Let's just have a look at where we are. I'm just going to turn on the brakes as well. Okay, there we go. Let's make it bigger. Let's close this up. There we go. So we had a rejection of the 10. I'm still bullish, by the way. I'm just seeing like on a short term whether there could be a scalp for a sell. But again, everything is fanning out even on a 5 minute for me, like really nicely. So really I wouldn't be looking for sales at all. I'm just looking for another bullish entry to be honest. Yeah, I think I am really bullish on US30. So yep. So I think for me, this would be an entry right here, guys. This is really like a live entry. I probably would take it down to this support level, so 34 pips and then 1.5. There we go, something to this level. Right, so I just wanted to go back to my 5 minutes. We are in profit. We had a bullish pin bar print here anyway. So for me, that is um an entry right there. So let's just see, we are already in profit in this trade. So it is really a case of just watching your trade. Whenever you get into profit in trades, guys, just remember that you don't want to give the money back into the market. So just watch, and change your stop loss to a break even point whenever it has moved to a certain level, like 20 pips or 25 pips, even 30. You want to kind of like start changing your stop losses. Yeah. So yeah, so that's that. We had a live trade. So for me, I think I'm bullish. I'm actually going to take this trade and just see how it plays out. Always be very, very mindful um of your what do you call that, stop losses. Don't kind of trade more than you can afford to lose. 0.5% to 1% stop loss is ideally what I aim for. I don't kind of go anything more than that. And I've said this before in many of my videos previously. I have traded huge lot sizes before, and I can tell you it never ends well. Like sometimes we do get lucky, sometimes we kind of get a nice hit and we kind of collect a nice bag at the end of the day, but it doesn't always happen. And because of that reason, it's a lesson. It's always a lesson, and I hate that. So yeah, so we're in a live trade right now. We can just so you guys know where I entered. So I literally entered at this bullish pin bar print, and if you actually look at the divergence indicator. I mean, yeah, so we've got a bull here and it just rested. These two candles here, they literally rested on the above 50. So like I said, I am bullish on US30. Let's just see how it plays out. And let's wait for the trade to finish. And anyway, so I'm in, and I've already told you guys where my key levels are. This would be on a 5 minutes candle. My stop loss is at the 21 moving average. So giving it a very decent stop loss, to be fair. To be honest, if you had taken based on this entry, your stop loss could have been somewhere even here. But slightly below this, I would have thought. So you would have come back down to the 21 moving average anyway, guys. So let's just see how it plays out. And happy trading, safe trading, and see you guys again in the next video.